What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is the 5th of July. It's Wednesday morning, 4:30 on the East Coast. We're looking at the markets. We're going to take a look at Pepe 2.0. Have been getting plenty of comments in my last video about Pepe. Taking a look over at the chart, looks like it's up about 50% this morning. Pepe itself sitting quiet. Bitcoin just turned green on the day. We're on cryptobubbles.net. Taking a quick glance here at the markets. Look like AAVE, ZIL, FTT, all up in the green. A lot of red, though, this morning, although not too bad. Guys, welcome to the channel. Let's take a look over at the charts. The Pepe 2.0 USDT. That's PEPETUSDT. This is a daily chart. This is BitGet. Guys, thanks for hanging around and checking out these videos. Getting a little sell-off here in Doge this morning, but Pepe 2.0 is up in the green. Going to share a couple price targets with you and wrap this video up. So, not financial advice, guys, of course, and I do not own Pepe 2.0. I do not own it. Looks like you can buy Pepe over on BitGet. That would be BitGet is one of the places where you could buy Pepe 2.0. So what do we have here? We have Pepe. A couple interesting things. We have this initial candle right here. Big reversal candle. Market wedged down after that. So we didn't undercut the lows here. So our lows here looks like 1500. And then we hit a low over here of 1678. So let's see if we can get this chart to cooperate this morning. And then we have a wedge down, higher low. So we talked about that in previous videos. When these markets print higher lows, pay attention. You could see a very strong rally to the upside. And that's what we're seeing here so far. This thing has moved from the low on the 2nd of July. Looks like about 564%, guys. Let me come back to this just a moment here. Let me come back to this chart just one moment. Yeah, no. Give me 1 second here, guys. Guys, I want to appreciate, thanks, and I appreciate all of the new subscribers. Come back to that chart in just a moment here. All right, let's try this again. That's Pepe 2.0. So if we're up 500% in the past couple days. I have one upper target that I want to share with you up here at the 2775 level right here. This should easily be hit, assuming the markets will break the high here, which was 14,250. This should easily be hit. It really is very conservative, to be honest with you, especially for a meme coin project like this. That only puts the price up another 81%. Keep in mind, this thing has moved, 500% from July 2nd. So in 3 days, it's up 500% according to this BitGet chart. So another 80 plus isn't really too much to ask for. So my first target there would be 20775. So we're in basically a confirmed uptrend here. We have the wedge to a higher low, we have a higher high, and we're potentially getting ready to test all-time highs here for Pepe 2.0. Now I want to throw the Fibonacci's on here. So we'll take the swing high here. See if I can get this to work this morning. Having some issues with the charts. The swing high to the swing low. And what does this tell us for the good old 2.0? Well, this tells us that the 1618 up there at 53,049 roughly, which is right here, guys. Potential target number one. Actually, it would be target number 2. My first target is 27.75. Like I said, about 80+%. If you take that fib number from the swing high to the swing low from where we're trading at this morning, that's about a 370% move. The next fib level would be up here at the 2618 right here, guys. 2618 fib level. And that puts us on a percentage basis from where we're trading at this morning, 4,100%, guys, 4,000%. And that would put the price roughly at 44.8033, definitely dropping some zeros off the front of that price. We have the 3618 fib level right up here, guys, 3618. And that's going to put the price up a very, very large amount. That looks like roughly 33,000%, if I'm reading that correctly. 33116 puts the price up there at 378,3897. Definitely dropping a couple zeros off the front of that price. Take a look at the. Actually, we're going to leave that there. For now. So anyways, guys, that is, my very conservative target right there at the 20775. That's about an 80 to 90. Let's see here. I think it's about 80%. So about an 80 to 90% higher from where we're at takes me to my first target at 20775. And then getting based off the fib levels, that takes us up about a 300+% move to target number 1, 53049. Target number 2, based on the fibs, is about a 3,900, 4,000% gain. 2618 fib level, that takes you roughly up to the 448033. So the question is, will the price break the high over here on the 29th? Will the price hit 20775? Will the price hit the 53049 fib 1.6? Will it make it all the way up to the 2.618, rising many hundreds and hundreds, if not thousands of percent? Or does it fade, not make an all-time high, and make a new low? You let me know down in the comments for Pepe 2.0. I am not sure, but I can tell you right now that it's in a very short-term uptrend with a higher low and a higher high. So we have a lower high to a higher low to a higher high. The trend is up right now. Keep in mind, this chart only has data going back a couple days, so this could flip quick. This could turn into a lower low, which would not be good for the bulls. But right now, the markets for Pepe 2.0 are looking quite bullish, so I wanted to share my upper targets for that. One based on my own target right there at the 27.75. Like I said, about 90%. Really not too much to ask for. But if you start getting into these higher fib numbers, I mean, you're looking at, 400, 4,000, 33,000% gains, which would be quite astonishing if that took place. So we'll have to see. If we take a look at the regular Pepe chart, here, let's take a look and see what that did. So if we take our fibs, we'll take the swing high, we'll take the swing low right there. It's a little funny because we actually have a low quite right after that, so we'll actually have to take that. So Pepe itself almost moved up to the 3618. It surpassed the 2618. So we almost got to the 3618. So if we go back to Pepe 2.0, right? And keeping in mind what we just said there, that the 2.0 follows similar trading, you could expect the price to theoretically fall like right in here between the 2.6 and the 3.6, higher, closer to the 3.6. Where does that take the price? It does a similar move to good old regular Pepe. That takes the price up basically 20,000%. That sounds insane. Will a 20,000% move come for Pepe 2.0? Tough to believe, but we'll see if it follows a similar path. We could see a ridiculously high Pepe 2.0 here coming in at the 3.6, or even the 2.6 is a ridiculous move. That would be, yeah, you're at that 4,000 mark, and then up here you're at that 33, and yeah, so somewhere in here, call it 20,000% move for Pepe 2.0. Like I said, I don't hold this thing, but if you do, let me know your thoughts on where you think the price is going here. All right, guys, that's going to wrap it up here for Pepe 2.0. Not financial advice. We'll see what happens here with these markets. These things can come and go quick, so be careful out there. All right, guys, take care.